Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Comanche County in southwest Oklahoma, central Cotton County in southwest Oklahoma, southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected severe thunderstorms located along the line extending from Fletcher to 5 miles south of Temple, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazards in the warning include destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour, quarter-size hail, minor flooding in areas of poor drainage. Locations impacted include Marlow, Walters, Comanche, Rush Springs, Elgin, Temple, Bray, Fletcher, Geronimo, Sterling, Empire City, Hastings, Waco, Abington, Bloom, Fort Sill, Cookie Town, and Lake Ellswood. Extremely damaging winds are expected. Take shelter now in a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Heavy rain will quickly flood creeks, ditches, and underpasses. Do not cross flooded roadways.